Hello my darlings, welcome to my channel. So let's have a quick monthly reading for my Capricorn Aquarius cusp sign. Let's try and find out how the month of June 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie guys, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much my love for being a part of Weave Run to Live family. If you belong to my zodiac signs, darlings, hang on for some time. Shortly we'll upload a reading for you. This is for my cusp babies. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st till the 30th. Okay. So without further ado, let's begin with your reading. Angels and spirit guides, first 10 days, please, for my darlings. Okay, let's take them. So we begin with healing, intensity, new vision, rebirth, and the rebel. Okay, so in the first 10 days, darling, it seems there is something that you may experience or you have experienced in the previous month. Okay, so new vision, rebirth, both are trying to tell you that whatever you have been through or you may experience, you need to change your perspective towards that situation. See on the other side, see as if you are as a third person and view it. Okay, rebirth is trying to say no matter what, remember you have that thing in you wherein you can get up, gather that courage and go ahead. Don't ever share your weaknesses, because the rebel is trying to say you have that thing in you. Avoid getting distracted, avoid getting caught in the past. That's the reason it is trying to say change your perspective. And remember to stay focused. What you want is what you can achieve, rather than being how do I say, being dependent on somebody else for decision. Follow your gut feeling, use a little bit of your logical brain from your past experiences and go for it. That is what it's trying to say. You're highly far-sighted kind of a soul. Intensity, money flow is coming in, people are going to get threatened, go out. Okay, you can expect travel, success embracing you. Whatever you want you can achieve, but you have to get up and get hold of it. Healing, increase water intake, voice your emotions, handle things with loving and compassionate energy. Even though your logical brain is telling you something, love heals anything and everything. That is going to be the mantra for you in the first 10 days. Expect some collaborations also coming up, okay, or a confession for that matter. Now let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20th. Angels and spirit guides. Let's take this. Let's take this. And let's take this. We have the dream. The next we have is guilt, sorrow, and patience. So expect pregnancy or adoption kind of a news coming up, because that could be a few people who are dreaming. Whatever you want, your patience level is getting tested. Success will embrace you. Okay, you want to start something new, yes you can. Again, we have the moon cycles playing a very important role. So hormonal mood swings can be a part of your issues in the mid 10 days. What is it that you need to let go, darlings? You have a tendency to overthink, okay, and maybe that is what is, you're getting caught in your thought processes. You need to let go. Remember, you've turned your back, probably you're blowing things out of proportion. If you can see, there's garland which is trying to show new beginnings. So something beautiful is starting, but I think it's more about you being calm from within. Okay, universe and angels are working behind the scenes for you. Now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 31st, 30th. Sorry, my bad. Okay, we've got two cards. Can we have another two, please, for my darlings? Let's take this. Let's take this. So we begin with harmony, inner voice, mind, and clinging to the past. Let's begin with these two. So, and listen, until you do not take things off from your head, it's going to bother you. Now the ball is in your court, darling. Remember what you want, you can achieve. Can you see the entire baggage? Can you see this is the backside of your head, and you will be having a lot of headaches, body aches, stiffness, okay? Because these are your emotional grudges you're holding on to. You need to let go, drop that baggage, because you have good things coming up. Maybe because you are overburdened, you're not getting clarity and you're not happy. There's a conflict between your heart and your mind, and that is what the inner voice is trying to say. Follow your gut feeling, be happy from within. Whatever you want, you can achieve. Staying connected through prayers, chanting mantras, meditation will help you in staying connected with your higher self. The universe will give you some guidance. Can you see the crescent moon? Can you see the crescent moon? So again, emotional grudges. Let go of that emotional grudges is what it's trying to say. Now let's ask your angels what guidance would they like to give you for this month. Angels and spirit guides. Guidance, please. Let's take the first one. Beautiful. Focus on service. So what you want is what you can achieve. Again, we have a unicorn. That means a spiritual guru or a mentor is always supporting you. Do not get distracted. Any issues related to money, health, peace is something you can achieve. Okay, so this is what your angels are trying to guide you. Now let's come to your love life. Let's see what are the energies guiding. Angels and spirit guides. That's the guidance. Let's see these two. Okay, so we have Axe and the Chaser. So there could be some separation coming up, okay, a temporary one, but avoid giving silent treatments. Maybe it's trying to remind you that you should not be getting into a third party, or avoid getting entangled with someone who is a closer, because this is what the chaser is trying to say, that this person could be a codependent or someone who's got abandonment issues, relationship issues. So avoid getting entangled, okay? And if you let go, maybe that could be one of the reasons why you're still holding on to. We have the engagement ring. So if you let go of these toxic energies, then yes, you can expect somebody putting up a proposal, because there seems to be love in the air. Okay, so I think you need to work on the relationship front, figure out if this is a person you really want to spend time with, or do you think it's high time you let go and move ahead and allow a beautiful soul to come in your space. Now let's ask universe, what can you expect in this month? Okay, angels and spirit guides. We have lovers, hellos. I think this sums it up, everything. You've got the lovers, engagement ring, and the dream. So the person you really want to get married with, that person is on its way. You will meet this person in this lifetime. If you're already married, remember you are karmically entangled, so work on your relationship. Spending time igniting that flame will help you. If you've been single and still in a toxic relation, let go, allow a beautiful energy to walk in. If you are in a beautiful relationship, remember it's going on a higher scale. And lovers also calls in for partnerships. Sorry, calls in for collaboration. So yeah, you can expect collaborations coming up on your work front as well. So how do I sum up this month for you, darlings? Everything lies in your hands, okay, because you can shape your destiny in this month. If you change your perspective, if you gather courage, if you avoid getting influenced by people around you, if you let go of the baggage, yes, whatever you want, you can achieve. Your patience level is getting tested, but remember, money, love, finance, good health will embrace you. Your angels are requesting you to stay focused. A spiritual guru or a mentor will always support you. When it comes to the matters of heart, let go of the toxicity. Even if it's a separation, understand universe has a better plan. There is someone who really wants to offer you love, because love is in the air is what is coming up for you in this month. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. Apologies for outside noise interference. Have a great month ahead. Stay happy. Stay blessed.